Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, January the 12th, 2024. Already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. That's the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7790. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 10 printed digits. Yeah, and I've told you the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. It's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, let me check. Here we have a dual box. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. No dual boxes, only 1. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, we have a triple box here. Triple box there. The 2 is already given. So those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here in the same area, so this box should be a 5 then. Same for this triple box. The 3 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. And the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and a 4. Well, we have a quadra box here. And I need more information. All the numbers could be everywhere. Insufficient information right now. Here we have also a quadra box. Well, these 2 boxes can be F1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape is this one. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box is the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. And the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1. Only one we have here. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one. Same shape. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Then this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then let me see. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 numbers 2 and 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there, so 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. So 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be, and a 5 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I mark this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5 then. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from this 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadrat box. Should be there. Alright. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there, but this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Overlooked. Okay, so these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Well, let me mark those. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4 and the 5. Then let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Well. 1 or a 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 or a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Yes, 4 or 5. So we have a pair now. 4 and a 5. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this area should be the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadrat box should be there. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. This box can be a 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadrat box for the number 1. This box can be a 1. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, don't think it's a hard one. So, I'm faster than 50 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. Although it has 10 printed digits. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the JigsawSudoku, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the ones, for the 0, for the 1, for the 2, for the 3, and for the 4-star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku, a.k.a. quintuplet, all kinds of puzzles or Sudokus. I've a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now.